Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a review section on your Shopify homepage. The first step is adding feature review section to your homepage. First, log into your Shopify store admin. Then, open online store section and click Themes. Next, click Customize next to the current theme. In the theme customization area, navigate to Add section under the homepage template. Click Apps and select Feature Review. After that, you can make custom settings for the feature review section. In here, you can edit the title, change the title aligns at left, center, or right. You can also choose to show or hide it. Choose the layout of reviews at Mansary or carousel. In the custom widget, you can add extra grapher classes. If you have coding knowledge, you can change the maximum width and padding left and right. Finally, click Save button to save the feature review section you have created in the homepage. Step 2. Select the feature reviews from the Ryviu account to display it in the section you have created in the step 1. First, go to your Ryviu dashboard by navigate to App and click Ryviu, Reviews and QA. Open the Review section. Here, you can set feature reviews individually by selecting Set Feature for each review. Or you can select many feature reviews at once. And that's it. It's time to preview the review section you have added in the homepage. Now you can further edit it if you want. Thank you for watching.